All right, ladies and genitals, we back at it again. This time, this is an '07 Honda Civic. As you can see, it's got that haze built up on the lights, and there's a lot of information out there on how to get rid of it, and there's chemicals that you can buy. Checked out a couple homemade remedies to fix it, but I went a step above. So I'm going to show you the before and after of what I use on this to try to get this to clean up. As you can see, I'm going to get a real good shot of it, of the before picture. Now, what we're going to do is first, the homemade product that they got using is toothpaste. So I'm going to smear some toothpaste, not the gel, but the white toothpaste. So we're going to smear some of that on the lights first. You're welcome to put on gloves if you like. My rough ass don't care about no damn gloves unless it's gonna eat up my skin, so I'm just gonna put this shit on with my fingers. Now if you like, you can also mask around the metal. Put some blue tape mask around there, a couple strips. That way you're saving your coat on your paint, so you're not damaging it. But once again, this old ass fucking hoopty I don't care about, so it needs a paint job anyway, so I'm not gonna worry about that. All right, there's the first step done. All right, next step, baking soda. It's got the granules in it, not too coarse, not too hard. They're just about right, so they'll help get into the metal. Oh, I'm sorry, get into the plastic. There's number 2. Number 3, Brasso. Yes, it does say brass, copper, stainless steel, chrome, aluminum, pewter, and bronze. Plastic is neither one of these. But out of all the 2 ingredients, this one, actually, if you just use it alone, seemed like it did the trick. But I put in all 3 because it came out just a little bit better. So, yep, that's right. I'm still using my damn fingers with Brasso. But guess what? I didn't lose my skin on the last headlight, so I think I'll be okay on this one. But once again, you don't have to do as I do. If I jump off the damn bridge, you ain't got to follow me. Now, what you could do, you don't have to do the whole thing. You can do it in sections. Section, section, section. I did the first one, the first light in sections. I ain't wasting all that damn time. I'm gonna get this shit done so I can get in the house and fucking eat. Now, 4th trick, I would suggest using a buffer. Because by hand, you're going to be here all goddamn day. You're going to be tired. Back's already sore as hell, but this works a lot faster, a lot better. So we'll see how this goes. All right. that section, see how it looks. A little clearer. We're going to finish up the rest of it. All right, now you can see there's a distinguishable difference. I'd say about maybe 50%, which is not too bad. You can see a little better. It's a little clearer. It's definitely not as bad as it was before. Now I'm going to show you is the kicker to polish it off. And that is right here. Where that motherfucking can at? Here you go. Right here. Yep, seafoam. The shit you're supposed to put in the damn tank. I'm gonna show you a little difference. It ain't much. But we get, you can even see the difference right there and how clear it is. So wipe it down real good all the way around. After that, make sure you get some water, wipe it down. I'd run your car through the car wash afterwards to get all the excess residue off. And there you have it. Try it at your own risk. Good luck.